This is the cover plate and the top view of it, and the line that's going to be tangent here. And this line is going to be offset here. So I typed in offset and offset. And then I'm going to type in 0.375 since it is 3/8. And I'm going to choose this line and then choose this side above it, and it copies it up there. So now I can choose fillet radius, and it is a 3/16" radius. And then I can choose this line and this line, and it automatically does that there. If I do a trim, TR, enter, enter, I can choose this piece over here, and it should trim that. If I choose this arc, enter, and then this side, should be able to trim that. Let's show us this diagonal line here, how to draw that. If you go to your snap settings and go to object snap, take them all off except for tangent, then say OK. Then choose your line tool and snap tangent to there down to here. It automatically jumps and makes that smooth at that location. So once you get this done, you can then mirror this to the other side.